A very good morning, dear students. I'm your science teacher, Pretima Sharma. Today, we shall be starting with a new chapter. The second chapter in your science syllabus is microorganisms. In this chapter, dear students, we shall be studying about different types of microorganisms. We'll also know about how these microorganisms are useful to us, how they are harmful to us. We'll understand about some of the food preservation methods. We'll also know about the nitrogen cycle in nature. So, for starting this chapter, as we all know, dear students, we are carrying out with this distance learning because of a pandemic, right? Due to a virus, COVID-19, that is what it is called, right? Now, what is this virus? Actually, when we have this question in our mind, we come out with an answer. It's a microorganism which causes diseases like flu, common cold, etc. Now, what does this word microorganism mean? These are the organism, the microorganism. These are the organisms which cannot be seen through our naked eyes or the unaided eyes. They can be seen only under the microscopes, right? And the branch of study of microorganisms is termed as microbiology. Okay, now microorganisms. Now, what are these microorganisms? They have some properties, right? So, the first property of microorganisms is they are omnipresent. Now, what does this omni mean? Omni means they are present everywhere. They are found in all possible environments on the earth. They live in water, let it be a pond, a river, a tank, a pool, a sewage water tank, anywhere, ocean. They live in air. They live in soil. They are also found in rock cracks, on tree trunks, even in your old school shoes when they are kept outside for some time, right? But the places where they cannot be found are, that is inside active volcano pits, inside deep strata of rocks, right? And in the blood of a healthy animal. These all places are where no living thing can be found. Okay, so these are the characteristics. They are omnipresent, means they are found in all possible places. The second property of microorganisms is they can survive in extreme climates. Let it be very cold and very hot. The heat which they can bear is about 78 degrees Celsius, right? And they can survive in the temperature low as about like minus 90 degrees Celsius. They can live in these extreme climatic conditions as well. The next properties, they vary in their shape and sizes, right? Shapes, it can be spherical. They are found in spherical shapes also. The example is coccus. They are found in oval or cylindrical shapes. Bacillus, lactobacillus, which helps in formation of curd. They are found in spiral shapes also, spirillum. Some of these microorganisms live independently, means they are found in single numbers, right? And some places they are found in colonies. Okay, so these are some of the characteristic or properties of microorganisms. Now, microorganisms are broadly classified into 5 major groups: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, and virus. I repeat, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, and viruses. Now let's study a little more about these categories, okay, the groups which they are divided into. Let's start with bacteria. Bacteria is a plural word and singular it is termed as bacterium. These are non-green, that means they don't have chlorophyll in it, okay. These are non-green unicellular microscopic organisms. They may be of different various shapes: spherical, coccus. They can be of rod shape, bacillus, spiral, spirillum, and comma shape, vibrio. E. coli, a very famous bacteria, which is also termed as the friendly bacterium, and it is found in the alimentary, our food pipe, the alimentary canal. Okay. The branch of science which deals with the study of bacteria is termed as bacteriology. The second group of microorganisms are the fungi, and singular is termed as the fungus. Fungi are non-green plants because they do not have the green pigment which is called the chlorophyll, right? Even these can be unicellular, but they can be multicellular as well. Yeast and bread mold are the foremost examples. Yeast is unicellular, whereas bread molds, you understand? When you keep the moist bread for some 2-3 days, you'll find some greenish, blackish colored, cotton-like thing which develops over the bread. It is termed as the fungi, the bread mold. Though they are called microorganisms, they may or may not be microscopic. They can grow in almost every habitat where organic matter is present, right? They can grow in light or in dark, in moist places or in dry places, in rotten places, right? They can be found where the animal dung, the rotten logs, the rotten vegetables, anywhere. Okay. And the science which deals with the study of fungus is termed as mycology. It is termed as mycology. So, dear students, that's all in today's session. Stay inside and stay blessed.